Hello everyone, welcome back to Real World Connections for Preschool Teachers. My name is Elnora, and today I'm going to share with you a fun way to engage your children in celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday while also continuing to learn. So the activity that I'm going to share with you today is based on Dr. Seuss's book, One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. Put my little cat in the hat over here. So, the activity I'm going to share with you is based on math skills, and I'm going to share with you 3 quick ways to engage your children in celebrating around Dr. Seuss's storybook here, One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. So what we have here today, I have the storybook. So of course you're going to read the story to the children in advance, and you're going to engage them in a conversation and let them know. Remember on yesterday we read the story One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. Today we're going to do a math activity around that story. So I have here my colored goldfish. Of course in this pack of goldfish there's no blue fish, so I had to substitute some colors for this activity. You can find these in most grocery stores like Winn-Dixie and Walmart. So I have my little bowls here that I've purchased from Dollar Tree. You get like 4 or 5 of these in a pack for $1. So each child will have their bowl of goldfish here. Each child will have a different patterning card. So the first activity I'm going to share with you is focused around the children building patterns. So each child will have a different patterning card. And their own bowl of goldfish. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to tell the children the goal of the activity. Today you're going to use the goldfish to build a pattern. A pattern is something that repeats itself over and over. So then you're going to model that activity for the children. Now you want to make sure you plan in advance to have enough of each colored fish in the child's bowl so that you won't have to walk away and get goldfish, so then the child will be waiting. But just in case that you do have to do that, because we're living in COVID time, you want to make sure that you have your food glove here if you have to search around in the bag for a different color. So I'm going to model for the child how to build a pattern. And we're going to encourage the children to use this sentence structure. My pattern is. So as the child builds their pattern, they're going to say the name of that color as they make their pattern here. So my pattern here, as you can see, is red, orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. Then you can ask the child at the end, what is the next color that will come out the red? So then, like I said, you're going to model that activity for the child. So I'm going to build this pattern here. And I'm going to use the sentence structure. My pattern is red, orange, red, orange, red, orange. So you can have the child repeat that pattern back to you. Now another activity that you can do besides the patterning activity, you can also, and again, back to the patterning activity, you don't actually have to use the real goldfish. I just taped a few goldfish onto this index card here, but you can actually draw the patterns on the cards as well. So on this card here, I drew 2 different color fish on the card, and the sentence structure that you want to encourage the children to use is, I'm going to eat. So with this activity, the children are going to eat the goldfish based on how many of each color they have here. So for example, the child will say, I'm going to eat 1 orange goldfish, 1 green goldfish. Tasty. So that's another activity that you can also do. And then finally, I have my cube here. So with this activity, I have my little fish bowls here. I found these in Dollar Tree. You're going to post some goldfish on the fish bowl. And again, you want to make sure you have enough goldfish to represent each of the colors here on the cube. And the child will roll their cube. Let me try that again. So it landed on 2 red goldfish. So what the child's going to do is that number of goldfish the child is going to place into their bowl. So this is their fish bowl here. So you would ask the child to count the number of fish that the cube landed on. 1, 2. Then how many goldfish would you put into your bowl? 2. What color? Red. So let's put 2 red fish into our bowl. 1, 2. So that's another way that you can make sure that you're working on the children with their accounting skills. So you got 3 quick, fun activities that you can engage your children with to celebrate Dr. Seuss's birthday. I hope you find these activities useful in your classroom. And until next time, see you later.